Puppy. Look, puppy.
That's almost a sit. The belly button's so much better.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Silly dog. Silly dog.
Come here, Leah. Take your buddy, little Leah. Shake your booty, Leah. Shake your booty, Leah. Shake your booty, Leah.
Rex, stop. Leah, come here, Leah. Leah. Leah.
Come here, Rex.
Come here, Leah. Sophie. Leah. How come Rex got loose? Are you?
Huh?
Was Rex already loose?
I just let him go take the line.
Oh.
No.
Leah. Here, let me just tell you.
Rex.
Look at this.
Okay, sweetie. I love you. Bye.
I
go. Thank you.
Alright. It's really hard to see like this. Just point it right at you. But see, when you're playing back, yeah, I'll do that here. It's gonna record anyway. That's how you look at the change the viewfinder. There we go.
This is after the fish dinner, right?
couldn't find her.
There's Sophie brushing her teeth.
That's why you can put it this way. And you actually see yourself being.
Myself. There I am.
Yes, it's time for Drew to torture everybody.
Are you recording now?
So let's put the little red light.
Oh, I see. Okay.
See?
You want to see yourself?
Dance.
Oh, Sophie, no,
Spit. We don't spit.
Now we have it on record.
That's right, Sophie. You'll see how disgusting that is. But, there we go. Let's see here.
Show it to everybody.
Anyway, it's gonna snap down like this, and the little button here goes up, and so put this on. But for playback, it's got a volume on here too, so you can hear it, of course. All that. And they're on the
Let's see.
Well, why don't you turn it off from recording?
because I like to be able to see people watch TV. Go turn it off. And you say,
Well, I think it's time. I think the Tooth Fairy's time out is over.
up with the Tooth Fairy.
It's all
So-
night and all day long.
Let me get it on film, Sophie. You're being actually.
Are you gonna be good and don't spin my face? Okay, good boy. You sit in the chair and watch everything.
Let's get the.
Hi.
This is zoom on here. I stand on the front porch,
Here's
and
You want him there by yourself?
you trust me. How you doing, Horace?
Hey, how you doing, girl?
Look at there.
Taking a move
That's
now.
Horace. That's
All of
Horace.
them
You
don't
see-
fit the front and all of them don't fit the back, so you have to.
Okay. Hey, do you have a copy of today's paper?